So here I am in Vancouver. It's 4:34 and you can hear the alarm going off. I'm at the Granville Island Hotel, and here it is, 4:30 in the morning. So I'm gonna go outside and see what's going on. They say don't use the elevator, so I'll walk downstairs. Where's the stairs? I don't even know where the stairs are. Okay. Gotta be this way. Down the stairs. Oh man, I'm so tired. I need my sleep. Okay. So everybody's down in the lobby, but they say it's a false alarm, so going back to bed. Standing outside because I still can't get into my room, but here comes the fire engine. And it's a false alarm. Okay, and as I say, it was a false alarm, so just coming back to my room, and I'll show you what time it is here. You can see that it is, oh man, 4:50 in the morning, so going back to bed. Lost half an hour sleep. Bye-bye.